So here is another question from IT JEE PYQ. The question is from the chapter friction. Here is the question: what is the maximum value of this force F such that the block shown in the figure arrangement does not move? Okay, so we have to apply the critical condition here. I will draw the free body diagram of this object or this block. So here is our block. Okay, the mass of the block is √3 kg. What are the forces acting on this block? One will be the gravitational pull of the earth, that is mg, yani √3 g. One will be a normal force acting on this block due to this surface. Okay, and a force is acting on this block like this. The value of this F we have to calculate, and this angle is given with the horizontal, that is 60 degree. And also there will be some friction force F, that will be equal to, here since block we have to keep it stationary, so we will be taking the static friction, that will be equal to mu into n. Okay, and the value of mu is given like this. Now if I resolve this force F into the components, then horizontal component force will be F cos theta, that means F cos 60, that will be equal to F by 2. Similarly, the vertical component in the downward direction, that will be equal to F sin 60, that means √3 by 2F. So in vertical direction, since there is not any motion, this block will be in equilibrium. Then if I write the equation of motion, that means upward force will be equal to downward force. That means normal force will be equal to √3 by 2F plus √3 into g. Okay, let me say this is the equation number 1. Now since the static friction is equal to mu into this normal, the static friction will be equal to what? That will be equal to mu, that is given 1 by 2 √3 into this normal force. From the equation 1 we can put here √3 by 2 F plus √3 into g. Okay, so this static friction will be equal to, let me multiply this 1 by 2 √3 inside, F by 4, √3 will be cancelled out, similarly plus g by 2, that means g by 2 is 5. Okay, so here static friction is equal to F by 4 plus 5. Now if I apply this, if I write the equation of motion in the horizontal direction, then the forward direction force is F by 2 and the backward direction force is static friction. Then this F by 2 will be balanced by, for horizontal direction if I write horizontal direction, if I write horizontal force is F by 2 will be balanced by this static friction, that is equal to F by 4 plus 5. Okay, so I have to calculate this value of this F by F. So I will take F common, it will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, that will be equal to 5. So F, this will be 4, 2 minus 1, that will be equal to 5. So the value of this force F will be equal to what? 20 Newton. Okay, so 20 Newton is the value of this force F, maximum value of this force F, so that this block will be stationary. So option A is correct answer.